Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm excited. I have a twofer, kind of a threefer, a twofer with change. So today we are doing two things. We are playing along, we being me, playing along with Off the Board. And we are all using the same sketch for Off the Board, which is super, super fun, right? So this is what it is. It has 3 photos, multi-word, oh gosh, multi-word title, a band going this way. We have another piece of paper, and then, yeah, I see like whatever background stuff. Awesome. Little banner pieces, and look at, there's little Mickey heads. I have no Mickey heads, but we'll see what we can come up with, right? And, oh, but wait, there's more. I'm also playing along with celebrating MK, who's reached a Subbie milestone. So excited. Congratulations, MK. And I'm going to be scrap lifting this layout. Now, I'm a spaz. How can I be doing both? Well, I kind of cheated and went onto her Instagram and found one of her layouts that looks a lot like my sketch. That's how, look, 3 photos, band across. Although I do like this layered up bit she has going here. And this blue color, I'm like, okay, yes, I can bring that in. Now, tricky thing is, my subject matter is totally different, and I'm just using one photo. Work with me. We're going to find a way to make this work. Do you see how they look like they work? Okay, let me put that aside and show you what my plan is. This is my photo, and it is Monday when I'm filming this, not when I'm sharing it. And this is, and this was on Saturday. The photo was taken, so a couple days apart is my whole point. This is my husband and my oldest daughter. And yes, I have a tall, older daughter. She is way taller than me. What a shock. Anywho, they're both kind enough to be wearing matching blue and dark pants. Very nice that they decided to color coordinate, and the sky is awesome. So definitely want to bring in some blue. So what I'm going to use, this is what I pulled out. And I'll show you my extras in a second. I have these goodies, and I'll call it leftover from Design Team stuff for Not Just for Boys Kit Club, right? I have this scrap, which I accidentally was supposed to use this side to mat my layout, but I put the adhesive on this side, so maybe I'll do this. Now I just got to get the adhesive off. I wonder where my little powder tool thing is. I don't know. We'll figure that out. So I'm going to use that because I really like the color, and it matches the brick really well in my photo. So I'm going to use that. I think I'll go ahead and use this one right here. It reads really nicely as a tone on tone, the chevron. So I'm going to pop that in just so I can make sure to use the background. I really like it. Now this paper right here, oh, and by the way, that was Bo Bunny Double Dot in Sugar Chevron. And this one, because I do still have the other side, is Crepe Paper Marigold and Remember When. So I'll talk about that in a second. Now this one right here, I want to bring in heavily because it's this really great blue tone, which is going to play off my people, but their color is a little more vibrant, so they'll pop that much more, but it's not clashy, so it's good. I'm going to make sure to bring that in. And then this is the piece I said I'll tell you more later. That's that Crepe Paper Marigold. I want to take some bits from this. I like the blue. I really like the floral with my daughter Shay. It's just a thing. And I always love wood grain, right? So I want to make sure to bring some of that in. I have these other full-size sheets that I've used a different piece of. Actually, I used a ton of that one. And then I have some cardstock still, as well as this full-size sheet. So we'll see if I need to bring that in or not. Who knows? I'll keep it handy dandy. But what I always like to do is really concentrate on my scraps first. I have to sneeze. Squeeze. So I still have these scraps I can use for layering. I still have some of this, that sheet we're using, more of this. I've used this a lot for these letters because I love them. More of this piece we're using, and then I have cardstock. So I have lots of scraps I'm going to have right next to me, handy dandy. That's awesome. And what else? Oh, This is a cut file, and it was in the Not Just for Boys Kit Club a la carte section. I really like it. I think it is perfect for this picture. I mean, the thing that's so nice about this picture is my husband and I were going out to lunch, and we wanted to walk around our small downtown just a little bit too, to get out, and my daughter went with us, and I'm like, oh, we're so lucky to have a kid that wants to hang out with us. I thought it was awesome. So I'm going to back that in some of my scrap bits, right? But I also want to use some of my sequins. So I got to figure out, do I want it all sequiny? That's fun. Or not? I don't know. We're going to figure it out. But I'm going to do something. I know I'm going to do something. So I'll figure it out. So I'm going to have my sequins nearby with my cut file when I figure out where that goes. Okay. What else? I've got some good Nuvo. I have all kinds. I mean, I have all kinds of good things. I just need to go through my goodies after I get the main base of this layout situated. So I'm going to do that, trim my photo, mat it a million times, all that kind of stuff, and I'll be back in a jiffy. So quick check-in time, playing along with the kit, and I wanted to show you how cool these are. These are these little envelope bits that I have. They're actually they were like cut files, I don't know. They're cut out with little score lines, and you can turn them into cute envelopes. And they're all the patterns in the kit. So I'm like, all right, let me go for it. And then I saw these handy dandy little gear bits that I also had. And yeah, my mind just jumps around. I'm like, yes, these are the kind of people, this is actually where my mind went. These are the people that make my world go round, made me think of the circles. And then the circle part is also in the off the board sketch, right? So I had those circles, and then these circles were part of the kit. And I think the intention is to use these stamps and stamp these, my dogs are fighting behind me, these viewfinders on top. So I did, bringing in a little bit of the stamping thing, which means I will find a way to get a couple of different little fun stamps in. Now these envelopes here, were supposed to have this stamped, let me see, I need something that you can actually see through. This stamped little notebook thing, and you can write little messages. It's so cute. And I didn't do that. I just went rogue because I go rogue a lot. All right, so I have that. Then my photo, I matted on a bunch of pieces. I have 2 giant die cut pieces, as well as some of the pattern paper. And I have a torn edge on one side, torn edge on the other, etc. Now I also have torn edges on these 2 blue pieces because I was mimicking, oh, there we go, the torn edges that MK has here. Now, totally seem to have gone rogue at this point. The multi-word title bit, where is it? I have my die cut, and I was looking at it. When it's here, it's going a little too light, so I think I'm going to slide it up just a little bit. Make sure to keep that viewfinder kind of with it, like that. I'm going to glue it fully down and then pop sequins all in the spots where it says lucky. I'm excited about it. And the way I do that, it's super easy. I'm going to glue this all the way down, right? And this time, since I'm not going to pop it up and make it into a shaker, I'm just going to fill in everywhere that I can on the L with liquid adhesive and pop sequins on top and go right down the line. So I'm going to be doing that for a hot minute. I'll be back in a jiffy. Okay, so I have all of my sequins down, and yes, I know they're very dramatic. We're being a little dramatic with this layout, and it'll be heavy and all that kind of stuff, and I am loving it. So I started going through my die cuts that I have here, and I still have, I mean, guys, I've done so many layouts with this kit, and I have tons of die cuts left, which I love. So I have this taupey brown one. Let me get the little bits. I have these little tiny bits from printing on there. And I don't know, it's just a ticket that says outbound, citybound, whatever. Just fun because I want a good reason to use some of my acrylic pieces, and that will give me a place to put like some sentiments or whatever. I have this viewfinder piece, which mimics these viewfinder pieces nicely. So I have a big one and a smaller one. We can offset that. Wonder if there's another little, ooh, more ticket pieces. I can put another ticket piece in there. Once again, nice little anchor spots for sentiments. And I like to tuck them in different layer pieces. I find it to be rather interesting looking. So we have that, and I'll be able to put my gray acrylic there. I have the big gray acrylic here by my title, so it's all part of it for Lucky Me facing in, and I just have to glue them down. Not a big deal. So I have ticket, love those. Wonder if I should pop a ticket. Oh yes, I should. Okay, slightly under the title, which will make that little white tail on the word me show. There we go. Like that. Yes, give me a pattern with a pattern, people. Okay, let's see. Oh, ticket pieces. Let's get this ticket piece on the side to bring more of the blue, showing off my people. I think right there. Love it. On a tiny bit of an angle. Well, it's on an angle. But now I don't need this strip showing as much. There we go. Just tear it off if it's not working right. So acrylic pieces, you can see them better. I have this set of Bow Bunny dots I can use in a minute, and I still have to put some of the stamping bits in and around. I wanted to wait till I saw where I was putting the rest of my pieces. Oh, this is kind of a neat piece. I've got this nice tab piece. So we can pop that right down. Nice. That will work. Oh, I think I want to put it just a little bit more because I like my ticket piece so much. All right, let's get these fellas to cooperate. All right, let's put them at a couple different levels. Now I can see it better. I like it. Yet, I'll move it again because I need to get my acrylic piece on there too. Okay. Do try to wait to attach my acrylic pieces down because I use so much liquid adhesive that they just want a little bit of extra love. So I think these are the biggest pieces I have left in here. Awesome. Used all kinds of pieces. I am happy. Now, let me see this. In the event that I want to bring in this enamel dot. Oh yeah, like it. I like it. I like it. So I can use up some of those kind of peachy color enamel dots. And I always like to bring in strong white. That one will be straight. Okay, enough with the die cut bits. I never ended up using any of these pieces on this side from the Marigold collection, and I actually meant to. Just did not. But I used all kinds of things I wasn't planning on using. So I guess it works out. All right, let's see. A Great Adventure. Ooh. Let's see. We can put that on right here. And I like that. Explorer is great. And Wanderer. We actually did walk around the city. It's not like it was that exciting, but we did. But I am willing to play up the sentiments and go for it. That's there. Get this Explorer piece just peeking down a little bit so I can have the white showing. And I will glue on these bits, pop some enamel dots on my stamping, and I will come back and show you the finished project. Alrighty, I am all finished up. So let's go back through this. Here we have the off the board. And that's off the board, and this is MK's layout. Now I definitely have elements from both, but I also went a little rogue, which I do tend to do. I've got lots of texture and good stuff going with my title and my die cuts. Tons of layered up elements between scraps of pattern paper and that giant pack I had going on with this kit. Use lots of those little stamping bits, which I thought were so awesome. Such easy sentiments that I could use, as well as these fun little envelope bits. So I love it. I liked adding all the things and going and seeing what I would come up with. So I will have links down below for everybody playing along with MK's Hop as well as off the board today. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below. And if you've joined me or are joining me for Lucky 7, I mean, we are having a ball, so welcome. Hope we're having so much fun together. I hope you're having fun, because I'm having fun. Anywho, any questions, comments, any of that kind of stuff, leave it below and I'll get back to you. Bye, guys.